In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Carrd. We'll start at the Carrd dashboard. Once you're there, look for the option to create something new and click New Site. Carrd will show you different categories of templates. Since we're building a focused marketing page, choose the landing category. This filters templates designed for clear messaging and a single call to action. Browse the options and pick the layout that suits your goal. Don't worry about colors or images yet. Choose based on structure because you can customize the visuals later. When you've found one you like, click Select to open it in the editor. Now, make your edits. Click into the headline and body text to replace the placeholder copy with your own. Keep your main message concise and benefit focused. Swap images or icons, adjust colors, fonts, and spacing from the panel on the side, and give your button clear, action-oriented text. It's a good idea to glance at the mobile view as you go so everything stays readable on smaller screens. When you're happy with the layout and content, click the Publish icon at the top. You'll be prompted to fill in your site's title and description. These appear in search results and social shares, so write a short, keyword-friendly title and a compelling 1 or 2 sentence description. Next, choose one action. This defines what your main button does, such as linking to a URL, opening an email, or jumping to a section on the page. Set the label and destination so visitors know exactly what happens when they click. You can publish to a free carrd.co URL by entering an available subdomain, which is great for getting live fast. If you already have a domain, you can publish to a custom domain instead. This typically requires a paid plan and domain setup. If you plan to reuse this layout, save it as a template for future projects. You can also save as an offline draft to work without an internet connection. Finally, click Save. Your landing page is live, and you can return anytime to tweak content and publish updates.